Hello beauties, welcome again to Wendy Styles. Please just take advantage of your wash and go short natural hair and don't spend too much time on styling. Leave videos or try this beautiful haircut we have for you guys. If you really want that simple and easy short natural haircut, this haircut is the perfectly extraordinary hair you need to try, because it's a super short hairstyle that will make you look pretty, that will make you look natural, and it's an easy going haircut that is suitable for all face shape, and it can be styled higher or even lower depending on your preferences. And it's a haircut that will boost your personal style. Just try show off your healthy shiny hair and prove that cute hairstyles for black women don't always have to involve that full head of braids, or maybe going for those and maybe wigs and all that. So there's just one haircut that will really turn everything around, and the rest of the hair you can see just free to do its own thing. So let you guys to look extraordinary, beautiful with this super cute haircut, and try to keep your style simple and fuzzy, because you will try different ways like how you can style it every day and still look beautiful and gorgeous out there. So with this in mind, I would like you guys to please watch this video to the end. Let me know your minds on how you feel about this haircut. You can see the hairs are easy to style, and you can dress up or dress down. Short hair is where it is. One thing with it is that it always make you look classy. It's a chic look that will always go with just about anything. What am I just saying? I'm just saying a lot. I just want you guys to understand what it means having this beautiful short hairstyle that will make the style extra special and make you look gorgeous. So watch this video to the end. Let me know your mind on how you feel about this haircut. I love you guys. God bless you guys for staying up to wear the styles. I appreciate you all, and a blessed week to you all. See you guys in my next video.
You know that we have each other. You can stand under my umbrella. You can stand under my umbrella. Christiana, Ella, yeah.